So hello and welcome back to Gumadi Coins and Banknotes, and in today's video we're looking at some coins from Serbia, and these are the coins of the current series, although the 10 and the 20 dinar have not been minted since 2012, and they do issue a banknote in these denominations currently. It's not to say that they don't circulate, but I'm not too sure if the 20 and the 10 dinar do circulate. But the other coins, 1, 2, and 5 dinars, the last minting that I can find is 2021. So these currently do circulate, but with a different coat of arms. So if I take the 5 dinars, so you can see they all have monasteries on them, and you can, if we flip them over to the obverse side, so this is the front, you can see this one has the Bank of Serbia logo, and this one has the coat of arms of Serbia. So that's the main difference. And there are two varieties with this coat of arms. The first variety was issued 95 to 210, and then there's 211 to 12, and there's also 213 to 221, but that's a different metal. So between 210 and 211, they change the coat of arms. Although the two varieties have different metals, but the metal, the elements that they contain are pretty much the same. So this one, it looks like a copper nickel coin. It's 70% copper, 12% nickel, 18% zinc. This one has a different amount of each metal, so it's 75% copper, 0.5% nickel, 24.5% zinc. So as you can see, you put a lot more nickel in the coin, it makes the coin look a bit more silverish. You put a lot more copper and zinc in, pretty much the zinc makes the coin a bit yellowish. And this coin has the monastery, the Cruzeiro Monastery, and they have the name on the side. So there you go, and it's in Cyrillic, and this is quite a nice version. So the mintage of these coins does vary. You can look at Numastar, so they vary between 5 and 20 million depending on the year. This one is 2008, so it has a mintage of about 15 million, and I believe this one is roughly about 24. But these do circulate at tandem, so you can pretty much get both of these coins in Serbia, although because this one's a different color, I pretty much wouldn't see that in circulation, but I could be wrong. I'm wrong on a lot of things. So here we have the 1 dinar. So this one has the National Bank building of Serbia. So it's obviously on a corner. So here's the front, two streets meet. So it's actually a triangle building. And we have dinar in Cyrillic and Latin, 2004, 2009. And they're both, and also the reading change. So all of the gold coins have interrupted milling. The silver coins have complete milling. Once again, we have the coat of arms. So this one is like pretty much 5% in size. Then we have the 2 dinars. So as you can see, it's quite a nice coin. I do like this series. The 2 dinars from 2003 is a 1-year series. This one's more of a multi-year series. And the building shown on here is the Grasinka Monastery. So I don't know, I've probably butchered that. So if we look at the name on the actual coin, camera's not going to focus. So there you go, Grasinka. They should actually have that name in Latin as well, considering they have a larger population of Hungarians, people who classify as Croatians, and also over minorities that to use the Latin alphabet, not for tourists. And here we have the interrupted milling and the complete milling of the two different years. And here we have the coat of arms. So the amount minted in 2003 was 4,688,000, and the rest of the coins you can actually find on Numis or even other catalogues. Then we have the 10 dinars. So this one has not been minted since 2012, so I'm not too sure why they actually stopped the actual minting of this coin, but they didn't change the composition of the metal, so it's still 7% copper, 12% nickel, 8% zinc, and once again we have a 1 year minting of the 2003 coin. And I forgot the exchange rate. So the exchange rate is roughly 100 dinars equals $1 Australian. So this is roughly equivalent to 10 cents. The mintage for this 2003 is about a bit over 10 million. And it has this Studenica Monastery. So Studenica Monastery. As you can see, we have the tower up there. So that would actually be nice to look inside. It'd be nice and white with pretty standout colours. And on both we have the Bank of Serbia coat of arms and the national coat of arms of Serbia. So this is pretty much similar to the coat of arms that they used pre-1918. Then with the 20 dinar. So this is nearly similar size to the Australian 20 cent coin. Once again, as you can see, interrupted milling. And with the 10 dinars as well, interrupted milling. The earlier coins had complete milling. Then we have the coat of arms. But the difference with the 20 dinars is that they started to put people on it. So this one has Nikola Tesla. So here's his name, Nikola Tesla, 1856 to 1943. And this one, so this is a temple, probably just a monastery of Saint Vaka of Vraka in Belgrade. This one has a mintage of 25 million, so it shouldn't be too hard to get. But this coin here of Nikola Tesla, like the other coins, this is a 2000 year single year issue, has a mintage of about 1 million. So this will be just a bit harder to get. Although 1 million is not a rare coin, I don't see too many of them for sale. And every years have different people that are portrayed on the coin. And the last one issued was 2012. And it had Nilailo Puppin. Don't know how to pronounce his name. If someone from Serbia wants to know how bad I butchered the name. It has no mintage, but it's probably also quite a low mint coin, which is, so this one will be the most expensive of the lot. They probably cost like $5 or something on eBay, but they're really not in demand. Maybe in Serbia there is more demand, but in Australia, no. So if you're going to go to Serbia, these are the free coins that you'll be using. So they're equivalent in Australia to 1, 2, and 5 cents. And the banknotes you'll be using would be from 10 dinars to 5,000 dinars. So how much would all these coins cost? If you want to get these ones as a set, yeah, probably $5. If you wanted to get all these coins, I'd say probably about $20. You know, because there's 4, 8, 10 coins, so you'd be paying $2 to $3 per coin. That's if you're lucky. Anyway, I hope this helps you for coin collecting, and leave any questions down below. Thank you and goodbye.